Hello, everybody. It's Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you're good. I got an order in that I bought from Jellybean, and I will have her channel linked in the description box below. Look how she decorates the envelope. Nailed it. You have Happy Mail. Sending crafty hugs your way. And then on the back side, she has this cute little message. It says, "Neither rain, nor snow, nor sleet, nor hail shall keep the postmen from their appointed round. We thank you for your sacrifice and service." Ain't that cute? Well, during her sale, she had all these little chipboard albums, and she only had these for $1. And I love using these in crafts. So I got that shape, and then this shape, and then a flower shape, and this kind of round looking one, and then another flower, and I can't wait to do a butterfly, and then a circle, and then this longer one. So $1 each. So I want everybody to check out Jellybean and Donna times 3's sales. Man, the deals are phenomenal. And then she always sends a little thank you. Cute little envelope says thank you. You know what? I did all mine and I forgot to put thank yous in all my packages, guys. Yeah. So sorry about that. Ooh, man, she's a woman in my heart right now. Because there's a napkin in here. A hand sanitizer. I've been putting them in my purse. A playing card. A tag. A tea. And this is a woman to my own heart. Gummy bears. I love gummy bears. That's cool. I've never seen them this small before. That's cool. Of course, the cute little bag. Okay. Then, also, I have to thank Chris. Chris Shuck says, "A gift for you from Chris Shuck. Thank you for your business. YouTube Jellybean Junction." So Chris, this is from Chris. Jellybean wraps everything so nicely. She had 4th of July ribbon, and I didn't have much. Look at this. This is so cool. Let's see. Let's move this stuff this way. Look at this. Oh my god. Awesome sauce. Oh, there's butterflies flying all over. I don't know if they were in the thank you bag or this. Oh, they're in this. But look at this nice thing of ribbon. Oh, I can't. I have a pocket letter coming up that is 4th of July, of course. And I was like, oh my god, I need to pick that up. And Chris said she wanted to give it to me as a gift. Look at that. There's polka dots, red, more polka dots. Oh, so it's so cool just the way it is. I don't want to touch it. Little puff balls, gold, silver, and eyelash trim. There's pretty reds in there. Polka dot. Oh, and then this mesh and blue and lace, and then silver, and then this blue. Look at this one. That's cool. And then this one is going around it. It says USA. It's got a little plastic thing on. And then look at this right here. That's so cool. So I'll have plenty for what I need. That's awesome. and all these little butterflies that came from out of it somewhere. Oops, got my screen. Awesome. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Jellybean, for doing that. So I will have Jellybean Junction's channel linked in the description box, as well as Donna Dream times 3, because 2, not 3. Sorry about that. That's where they have their sale, and I think their sale's coming up this Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. But like I said, always they both have awesome deals. So, as always, guys, be happy, be safe, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.